everybody, it's RB from Dgwgo, and today I am test driving a Kawasaki Mule DX Pro supplied to us from James Gordon's Limited in Castle Douglas. So let's go for a wee drive and show you what it can do.
No hill on our farm seemed to be too much of a challenge for this wee rugged machine. In four-wheel drive it can climb almost anything. Finished in black and green and with rugged good looks, this machine really does look the part in the countryside. Being a cross between a pickup and a quad bike, you get the best of both worlds with this piece of kit. Even with the current wet conditions, the Mule doesn't mark the fields where other vehicles have. We found that the Kawasaki diesel 22 horsepower 3-cylinder engine was very economical doing general farm work. The wide body gives stability and manoeuvrability and comfort for the driver. The Kawasaki Mule is as handy around the farmyard as it is on the fields. There's a never-ending list of jobs that this machine can do. But it doesn't all have to be about hard work, it's a leisure vehicle too. Also very handy for forestry work or large garden work as well.
The back of the machine comes with a good solid check plate metal floor. The back door comes down quite easily with just the flick of two levers, and there's loads of room in there. And then with a flick of a lever on this side and just a wee push, machine tips up so you can empty out whatever you have loaded in the back very easily. But you can also get this with a hydraulic motor on it so that you don't have to do it manually. And in below you can see the power unit, the 22 horsepower 3-cylinder Kawasaki engine. Also in there is the exhaust and gearbox and everything else. You can also buy as extras a cover for the back and a storage box that can be fitted in very easily. The cab's very accessible with big wide doors and a flat floor. The model we have has a luxury cab. You can also get it with an open cab, and you can also get it with a crew cab to seat 6 people. We've got a bench seat in here so that there's room for 3 adults, 2 adults and a couple of dogs. And you can just step in and slide into the seat. This one is left-hand drive. The cab on this model comes with a heater.
A simple switch and dial operate all heater functions.
It's got drink holders, it's got a wee glove box. There's cubbies to keep bits and pieces in on the dashboard, and underneath the seat there's plenty of storage as well. Got seat belts. This is a road legal model. You don't have to wear a crash helmet. You've got a roll cage with good gripping handles. The cab also has a front window that opens very easily just with these handles, and then you push it open.
Not only does this give great ventilation, but also great visibility.
There's also a back window that opens nicely, just to slide across so that you can chat to the dogs if you've got dogs in the back. And both side windows open. There's also wing mirrors.
The dash has ergonomic rocker switches that are very easy to reach.
And it has at the front 4 headlights, 2 normal headlights and 2 LED headlights, and they really are bright. It's also got high suspension, a great bull bar on the front.
This road legal version has front and rear indicators, side lights and brake lights, and a reverse light. Before doing this review, I've only ever used quad bikes or bigger off-road vehicles like pickups, and this little truck has shown me the best of both worlds, and I must say I am very, very impressed.